Good morning, children. Today I am going to start lesson 3, Foggy Morning, section 2. What is the heading of the lesson? One foggy morning. One foggy morning. It is a fiction, means imagination. This is a small science fiction story. Okay, this is a small science fiction story. One foggy morning. Early morning in the winter, full of fog we can see. Fog means manju. Morning, if you are seeing, looking outside, we can see nowadays also we can see morning fog, manju. Section 2. Who are the characters in this lesson? One foggy morning, Rishi and stranger. Where is Rishi is going? Rishi is going to school, waiting for his school bus, and Rishi was in the bus stop. He was waiting for his school bus. And another character is a stranger. The stranger is met him in the bus stop, but the stranger is not mentioned. What is his name? He is coming from which place? And all these things are not mentioning in the story. This story is imagination. It's not a happened thing, only the imagination. Here the name from where this stranger not mentioning he is coming from his name or anything. But you understand from this, the person might have come from another planet. We have feel like because we are feeling like he has come from another planet because he has no knowledge about this universe, this planet. And the first section we have seen about a school boy, and school boy usually with their bag they are going to school, but he is thinking the boy is going for hike or exercise or something. He is not understanding boy is the school and about Shakuntala Devi. Everybody in this planet know about Shakuntala Devi. And children going to school morning, they are standing in the bus stop to get their school bus, and these things, this particular stranger doesn't know, no knowledge about Shakuntala Devi or school students. He has no knowledge about the planet. Everyone know in our planet who is Shakuntala Devi, but he doesn't know anything about Shakuntala. He or she, he doesn't know. And now with this we can start. We will start second section. Here before starting, actually the stranger given chocolate bar to Rishi, but Rishi did not accept that. Rishi know that we should not accept any eatable things from stranger, any unknown person. That's why Rishi did not take. But here there is one points are there. Here the man closed his palm, turned it over and opened it once again. Nothing fell out. The chocolate had disappeared. There was a good trick. Rishi thought that is a trick. In this planet, if we are doing this type of magic, we are thinking that is a trick. Whether he was a magician or not, Rishi is asking, because the magician is doing like that magic tricks. So that's why Rishi is asking. Rishi was surprising. And how can you perform this? How can you perform this trick? First time he closed his eyes. First time he closed his palm. There is chocolate bar. After that again he closed and opened. There is a chocolate disappeared. That's why Rishi was asking about are you a magician? The second section, a magician on. Are you a magician? Oh no, anyone can do it when I come from. See, here is a clue. The stranger is telling anyone can do what? Anyone can do it where I come from. Like in his planet, anybody, that it is ordinary things for them. Anybody can do these tricks. The man said, he held out his hand again. Again he held out his hand, then he opened. Closed the palm and opened it. There was a toy car in it. When the hand opened, there is a toy car in the palm. And open it. There was a toy car in it. He handed it to Rishi. He given to Rishi. Can I keep this? Rishi is asking because toy car seeing Rishi was surprising. So Rishi want to take it that, asking can I take it? Children usually seeing like try to things like that, some small toys or car like that, seeing children will ask can shall I take? No? Same way Rishi also asking can I keep this? Rishi asked excitedly. Of course. The man said. Stranger said you take. He got permission to take. Is that why your overcoat is so filled out? Rishi is asking, so why your overcoat is so filled out? What is keeping inside? See, do you hide lots of things there? So Rishi is thinking in his overcoat he has hide of many things in that. That's why this car also from there he is thinking. So hide. The man looked puzzled. Hide, he doesn't know the meaning. So he looked puzzled. Oh, see, you think I am producing these things from my coat pocket? So the stranger is asking, are you thinking, Rishi, you are thinking I am producing all these things from my coat pocket? You are wrong, but let it be. You are wrong, it is not right. I am not producing anything from my pocket. Rishi stood playing with the car. Rishi was got very surprising, excited. So Rishi was playing with that toy car. Playing with the toy car. Suddenly it slipped from his hands and fell at his feet. This car, while playing, this car, what happened? Fell down on his feet. Then what happened? He said, then Rishi was trying to take that. Usually something going down and fell down from our hand, what we supposed to do? We will bend and try to take that. That time stranger said, wait. Then the man said, the Rishi bent to pick it up. The man's right arm and the sleeve of the coat lengthened longer and longer. It grew until the fingers reached the ground. The hand closed the car and retreated upwards. There he said, what happened? His toy car fell down. Then he said to Rishi, don't take, wait. Then what happened, you know? His hand removed from his coat and lengthened this hand. He is standing same place, but his hand is lengthening, growing so much, and reach up to the car. The hand closed on the car, retreated upwards, and he has taken that car. How did you do that? Rishi asked. Because why Rishi is wondering? Because his hand is growing up to there, up to the ground, and taking the car without moving or walking. So Rishi is wondering, asking, how did you do that? I never seen a trick like that before. I never seen a trick like that before. You still think I am playing tricks? The stranger wanted to make him to understand that he is not playing trick. Okay. Then again Rishi is asking, Rishi is telling, you still think I am playing trick? Give me the car for a moment. Will you? He asked. The stranger asked this Rishi, give me your car a moment. Rishi handed over to the car to the stranger. The man's arm extended again. What happened? This hand extended, growing, lengthening so much, and right up to the middle of the road. Up to the middle of the road, hand reached. Okay, but he is not moving at all. Hand is growing. He put the car down. Now watch, the man said. Now you watch. As Rishi watched, the silver grey toy made the sound of an engine starting. So what happened? This toy car made the sound of an engine starting up. Usually the ordinary car starting now, same way this toy car also starting, engine sound also coming. Slowly it began to move forward. That car, that toy car moving forward. The car screeched as it went round the pebble. When it had travelled a few feet, that toy car, like an ordinary car, is travelling. So this side I am going back. It made a sharp about 10. Sharp about 10 means a sudden change in the opposite direction. Sudden change, the car again is coming this side, sudden changing opposite direction, and coming and changing opposite direction on the two wheels and sped back towards Rishi, and this car reached up to Rishi. You are a very good ventriloquist, Rishi is telling to stranger. You are a very good ventriloquist. Ventriloquist is what is the art of speaking without moving the lips. Lips will not move, and a lips coming from another, making it look as if your voice is coming from another person. See, the ventriloquist is a puppet. You can see in the YouTube and all, if you are, you can see what is ventriloquist. You have to, you can check, you can understand. They are sound is coming from here. Okay, but we will think that is someone is speaking, making and producing sound. Sound is coming from someone. We will think like a performer. Here also happened the same thing. Actually, the stranger not making any noise, but this sound is coming from engine, and Rishi is thinking the sound is making. Are you a ventriloquist? Ventriloquist. Are you a ventriloquist? Means ventriloquist is a puppet making sound from here. Lips not moving. So we think somebody is producing the sound. Here the Rishi said admiringly. He said, picked up the car and put it into his bag. Rishi soon picked up the car and put it into his bag. Those car noise really sound like they were coming from the car. See, the car is making sound like they were coming from the car, like an ordinary car. I am not a ventriloquist, the man said, and threw up his arms. Rishi felt sorry for him. Actually, he is not a ventriloquist. After all, the poor man was trying to entertain him, and for free. Are all boys like you? He is asking. The man said at last, are all the boys like you? He is asking. He doesn't know anything about a boy. Okay, meaning smart. Are all boys like you means all the boys are smart like you? The man said at last. Rishi said, oh no, I am not good at studies, but I read lots of books. The man was quiet. He seemed upset. Rishi is giving answer. Hearing that, he became upset. Just then the bus arrived. So the Rishi's bus already arrived in the bus stop. It turned into the lane and stopped in front of them. The bus stopped in front of them. Bye, Rishi said without looking back, and began to climb up the steps. Halfway up, he turned. Rishi was climbing up the school bus steps. So, without looking, he said, bye, he said. You didn't tell me your name. Rishi is asking, you didn't tell me to your name. You didn't tell me your name. He shouted about the noise of the bus and the kids. In the bus, he is shouting loudly. What he is shouting? You did not tell me your name. But there was no one in the lane. That street, nobody. Rishi did not see the stranger there. It was empty as it had been at 6:25 a.m. Usually 6:25 a.m. the road is empty. Same was that road that time. When he had stepped out of his house, he opened his bag and put a hand inside. The car was still there. Then Rishi opened his bag and checked that car is there or not. The car was still there. This is the story about foggy morning, about Rishi and the stranger, section 2. This is an imaginary story. Okay, it is not a happened things. After that, what happened? Nobody is there in the street. Rishi went to school, and the stranger disappeared from there. Okay, here the lesson, children have to study, read lesson 2-3 times loudly, and try to understand the meaning of these lessons, and hard ways, spelling, ventriloquist, and like that some words are there, hard ways. You learn the spelling, how to read properly and loudly according to the full stop. You have to practice at home. Okay, thank you.